Okay, so this is the Jaguar cold start. She's been sitting about 2 to 3 weeks, probably closer to 3. Fires right up, as you can hear, but she does like a second to warm up. Starts up just fine. Sorry, does have a working radio. As you can see, the window works, same thing on the driver's side. I will mention a couple of her little foibles at the moment. If it's raining really bad, sometimes the water that collects right here will leak a little bit down under. And the parking brake needs to be tightened. And the parking brake light sometimes will stick on, but usually if you just kind of yank it up and down, it goes away. Other than that, she runs and drives beautifully. The little display here works, and as you'll see in a second, we'll go ahead and pop in reverse. Wipers works just fine. Let's go ahead and pop in. So you can see it up and to the left, it goes in reverse just fine. The AC does need a recharge. These are all the little foibles there, and I say in the description she's not perfect, that I've been letting buyers know individually, but I figured I'll throw it in the video for everyone to notice. See, it pulls forward just fine. And we'll kind of drive out here of the neighborhood and onto the main road where we can get up to highway speeds. She is normally garage kept. I don't normally take her out in this kind of weather, but with the remainder of the week being so busy, I wanted to get the video done. You can see she stops just fine. Brakes are very effective. Get up to speed. Now my friend here will show the gauges, which all work, and you might not be able to see in the video, but the lights on them do work. We're sitting at about 60 in fourth gear, and she cruises along nicely. And then if you show the gear knob, you'll see that she shifts pretty fluently. Just go up into fifth, shifts no problem, or if we need to downshift into fourth, does it just fine. But the heat and the defrost works perfectly, and so do all the little lights and buttons.